Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an aesthetic get ready with me title in the CapCut mobile. So you can use this trick or this step to create your own get ready with me video. So just add your video into CapCut like this, and then just go to text and use the text template. Then in here, just find the makeup category. So just swipe until you find this makeup, and there will be lots of template that you can use in here. Okay, so just scroll down and find the text template that you want to use for your get ready with me video. For example, here I'm going to use Okay, I'm going to use this one. Click on the text template that you want to apply. And don't forget to double click on the text to change it with your own title. So here I'm going to just write get ready with me. Click on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust the size and put the positions to anywhere you like. Okay, click on a check icon and that's it. And this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.